Hi, my name is Cindy and I'm from Superhairpieces, and today we're going to talk about hair extensions. Here we go! Hair extensions, you can change your styles any way you like. You can add length, volume, and even natural highlights. All Superhairpieces extensions are 100% human hair, and they come in various lengths from 14 inches all the way down to 24. We offer 4 different grade qualities: 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A in tape, U-tip, I-tip, wefts, and clip-ins. Now I'm going to show you all our types of different hair extensions. So let's start with tape-ins. So tape-ins are applied with tape. They have the tape already on the hair extensions. All you really need to do is remove the tape tabs and place it on the hair and sandwich it with another one. Hair extensions are good as a monthly or weekly wear. Next, let's talk about the nail tips. Our nail tips are also known as hot fusions, and it's very easy to apply. It does take quite a bit of some time because you do have to go strand by strand. Our nail tips are shaped in a U. Our nail tips require a hot tool. All you really need to do is take a nail tip and bond it and fuse it with your hot tool and the keratin bond. And once that's complete, you will have a full set of hair that looks super natural and really, really durable. Hot fusions, or our nail tips, are one of our most durable and long-lasting hair extensions. All right, let's talk about I-tips. I-tips are also known as cold fusions, stick tips, or micro links. They are very easy to attach and also as durable as hot fusion U-tips. All you need is a plier, pulley, and some beads. How to attach an I-tip is very easy. You take a strand of hair, pull through the pulley, grab a bead, and pull the hair through. Then you're going to take the I-tip and just simply attach it inside. Then take your plier and bond the two together. I-tips do need to be maintained every 3 weeks since the hair growth will pull down the actual hair. For easy access to the scalp with no hot tools required and a durability that will last you for a month, I-tips are the way to go. Let's talk about our clip-ins. At Superhairpieces, we have 4 long clips, 4 single clips, and as well as 2 extra pieces just in case. Clip-ins are temporary, easy to install on yourself and on your clients. They also give an instant look and are great for any special events like weddings or just a simple night out. So to put hair clips extensions, it's super easy. Take the clip and put it right on to the hair and just clip it on. Super easy, super fast. Machine wefts are voluminous, dense, and extra sturdy. You can use machine wefts for any style you want, and there's different methods of attaching. You can attach it with glue, with beads, or even integrate it with a hair system. The next hair extension I'm going to talk about is our hand-tied wefts. Very similar to the machine weft, except it is made very thin. And you can attach this exactly as you would attach any machine weft. You can have it beaded, integrated with your hair system, or even just simply glue it on. And our very last hair extension that we have is somewhat very similar to a hair system as well. This is what we call a halo. It is attached using a fishnet. All you really need to do is pull up your hair and place it right on top of your head and just style it. The fishnet allows an invisible line that keeps the hair in place. Halos are temporary and daily wears. They're very easy to apply and you can change them anytime you want. It adds the perfect volume and the length to your everyday style. At Superhairpieces, we offer many different types of hair extensions in different lengths and in different colors. For more information, head over to www.superhairpieces.com. Don't forget to follow us on social media, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the bell notifications to get updates on our newest video. I'll see you on the next video.